Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be on the Bargain Bee box. Yes, we're a little late this month, but it's always fun to wait for that box because we get so many goodies in it. And this is the off-white organza bag that it comes with this month for June of 2022. Now I know you probably can't see this because my mat is here, my beading mat is the same color basically, so but this is what it comes in. And we're going to get started. This month's theme is Solstice Warmth, and as always the monthly subscription is $19.49 a month. I've been getting it for a couple years now. It's just so much value for $19.49 a month. This month's box is, I believe, let's see here, valued at $71. Okay, and you get 17 items in this month's box. Okay, so we're going to read a little bit about their theme, and which is basically, it's a summer-ready tones of orange, cream, and red blend with high-quality golden findings in this month's collection. Warm gemstones are a focus this month with carnelian, sardonyx, I hope I'm saying that right, sardonyx, and druzy agate beads, crackled agate drops, and carnelian teardrop pendant. Accents include freshwater pearl links, sparkling crystal, colorful glass, and a fun resin druzy pendant. Simple but high-end findings include hyperallergenic stainless steel and 18 karat gold plated copper brass. And as always, you will get a 30% off code when you subscribe to the Bargain Bee box. Okay, and you can always enter what you make into their monthly contest. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. Let's get this away over there. There are 17 items in the box for June 2022. And the first one, I guess I'll go ahead and open it. I really have a hard time opening these bags. Let's see. So you get 3-piece of 18 karat gold plated brass spring rings here. These are really pretty. I know you probably can't see that a little far away. Get a little closer. I should focus in a little bit more. These are really nice. I wasn't going to open them, but they had the little end on there too. They have some nice weight to it, not like the regular ones that you would buy in probably a craft store. These feel of, you know, some nice quality, I guess because it's 18 karat gold plated. Okay, so we have those. Number 2 is, I don't know if I'm going to open these. So these are earring hooks. They are 10-piece stainless steel fish hook wires. Come on, I'll go ahead and take it out. Wow, these are nice. These look like a really nice quality. It's really pretty. Okay. Number 3, I'm not going to open these. 3 is a 30-piece 6mm 18 karat gold plated stainless steel jump rings. So actually I'll open it up. Get a couple of these out. They feel really nice. Okay, so they look much prettier when you take them out of the bag. They're very shiny. Very nice thickness to it. Not too thin, not too thick. These are really pretty. Looks like a nice, you know, high-end quality. So, I like those. Number 4 is 10-piece freshwater pearl and stainless steel links. Okay. Should probably get a little closer again. Yeah. There we go. Oh, these are nice. How pretty is that? Very nice. Okay, number 5. Here we go with some color. 15-inch strand of 8mm round glass beads. Alabaster Magma. There we go. How pretty is that? These are really nice. Nice cut in between. Look pretty with those. How pretty that is. Really pretty. Alright, number 6. Number 6 is a 50-piece 5.5 mil gold finish pewter daisy spacers. These are really shiny too. Super shiny. These are so pretty. They got some weight to them. Let's get you out of the way here. Trying to be a little quicker in my videos, but I don't think it's going to happen. I don't know why it just takes me so long. I'm already up to 6 minutes. Most people are done in 6 minutes. So, I don't know. I guess because I'm older. What are we on? 7. 20-piece 9x7 mil half matte glass cylinder beads in apricot shimmer. So this is nice. So you have some shimmer here and texture side by side there. It's really pretty. Very pretty. Okay, 8. 8 is 15-inch strand of 6 mil carnelian round beads, dyed heated. So there we go, more color. These are going to look pretty together. You combine all of those with your pretty pearls. That's a pretty combination. Okay. Number 9. 20-piece 8x6 faceted crystal fancy rondelle beads in bisque. It's pretty. I like the facets because they really sparkle. Number 10, 1 meter 3x2 stainless steel jewelry chain. Okay, there we go. I like this chain. The links are really pretty here. Oh, it's nice and long. Sparkly. When it hits the light kind of bounces off of that. That's why I like this chain. It's pretty. What are we up to? Number 11. 11 is a 2-piece 18 karat gold plated brass chandelier findings. Oh, look at that. Wow. This is super sparkly. Is that a word, sparkly? Look at that. These are so pretty. So it's the same on both sides. Really like these. Wow. And of course, we'll be hanging some pretty beads from there. And these are 18 gold plated. Wow. A lot of 18 gold plated, and I can't even get it out. A lot of 18 karat gold plated this month. Let's see. Number 12. 12 is approximately 8-inch strand, 8 mil sardonyx. I hope I'm saying that right. Round beads. So here we are. We'll have more color in our project. So here you get a nice mix of the darker, the light here. It's pretty. Kind of reminds me of marbles from when I was a kid. You ever shoot marbles? Remember you used to shoot them? I told you I was old. Anyway, 13. 7.5-inch strand, 10 mil matte electric plated druzy sorry about that. Druzy, and my phone is never on. Druzy agate beads. So here we go. These are nice. This will add some texture to the project. Okay. 14. 14 is a 2-piece agate 18 karat gold plated copper drops. Oh. Let's take a look at these. Okay. Well, that's interesting. The wire here looks little. I guess when you hang it, these are pretty. Okay. Wow. Sorry, I know my fingers are covering it. Just trying to straighten them out because the wiring's a little. Okay. Wow, these are really pretty. I really like these. So let's see. Copper drops. So you got the one dark here, and then the lighter one. Very pretty. Haven't seen these before. And that's the bottom. Okay. 15. 15 is a 51 by 23 mil resin druzy style pendant in warm peach. It's pretty. That is really pretty. Smooth on this side and rough on the other, kind of. And I guess this is brass here, I'm guessing. Trimmed in brass. Alright. 16. 16 is a 12-inch strand, 4 mil crystal faceted round beads, and lavender with the AB coating. It's pretty. Very pretty. I love the AB coating, which is that Aurora Borealis coating, which makes it really, makes the light bounce off of it so it really sparkles more. And 17, finally, 30 by 24 mil carnelian teardrop pendant. And that is pretty. Has your pre-drilled hole there, flat back. Very nice. And then we'll bring them all in together, see what colors we have. These are pretty. See how they're going to all look together here. I love all this gold plated this time. Really pretty. Look at that. So there you go. That's this month's box for June 2022. Go subscribe if you haven't already. If you're watching, I'm sure you're probably already subscribed. And get yourself some great beads. And that's it for this month's Bargain Bee Box. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I always feel like that. So that's it, everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that. And of course, as we always say, if you can hit the thumbs up button, that would help out greatly. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.